Here's how to stop obsessing over someone. Number one, you want to identify the reason for your obsession. Obsession for me was an escape from whatever was happening to me in my present moment. Number two would be to acknowledge that obsession is an addiction to your own thoughts, whatever fantasies you have about them or memories that you're playing in your head, and the feelings that are generated in your body as a result. So do some research on dopamine. I read Dopamine Nation by Dr. Anna Lemke, and that really helped me learn how to reset my reward pathway. Remove this person from the pedestal. Stop acting like their shit don't stink. They will literally never be able to live up to those expectations because those expectations you created so you could get yourself high. Another thing you have to do is make a clear distinction in your mind about what you want to happen. I had at some point made a choice to prioritize getting myself high over actually pursuing a relationship with that person. If you really want to be in a relationship with them, you have to choose. Realizing that this person is not actually what gets you high, it's your mental concept of them that gets you high. The last thing I would recommend is that you acknowledge that your obsession stems from being overly attached to the idea of this person. You have to let that mental concept that you have of them die and go through a purging process to release that addiction from your body. Obsession, maladaptive daydreaming, and hyperfixation were actually adaptive coping mechanisms at one point. I think it's very important for all of us to investigate that within ourselves, like at what point was this actually adaptive, and that can really help you to stop bullying yourself and forgive yourself. If you were conditioned to this way of being, you can recondition yourself out of it.